Hi everyone, welcome back. If you work with Google Sheets long enough, you'll eventually run into this problem. You have data in one table, and you need that same data in another table. Most of the time, the solution is simple but not ideal. You copy the row, paste it somewhere else, and move on. It doesn't feel like a big deal until you do it every day. That's when it becomes slow, repetitive, and surprisingly easy to get wrong. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to automatically add a new row to another table, using values from the current row. The idea is to remove manual steps and make the workflow more reliable. We'll use AppSheet in the background, but the focus is on improving a common Google Sheets workflow. First, connect your Google Sheets file to AppSheet and make sure both tables are recognized correctly. You should see both the source table and the destination table listed in the AppSheet editor. Next, we'll create a new action on the source table. AppSheet provides an action called Add a new row to another table using values from this row. This action does exactly what it sounds like. It takes values from the current row and creates a new row in a different table. Now we map the values from the source table to the destination table. Each column in the destination table can be filled using values from the current row. This step is important because it ensures the right data goes into the right place. Once everything is set up, let's test the action. When the action runs, a new row is automatically created in the destination table, with all the map values filled in. No copy and paste, and no manual steps. This action can be triggered in different ways. You can run it from a button, trigger it when a form is submitted, or combine it with automation for more advanced workflows. For beginners, using a button is usually the easiest way to start. This is a simple example of how AppSheet can quietly improve Google Sheets workflows. If you have questions, ideas, or would like to know how this system could be adapted to your own operational process, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.